Hello, today we'll be creating two exciting macro. One is to clear if there is any value is present in K1, that is called as clear cells, and another one macro we will be creating that will put any formula, your desired formula, to a particular cell where you want to put, and that formula will be repeated for all the sheets that is present in a single workbook. So let's create, and before that we'll see how this macro is working. So let me assign this macro, and this is ready for the macro, and we'll be giving the name as calculate max because I have used max formula for this as a function. So as you can see, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 and 5, all the sheets, this same formula will be kept in K1 cell. If I go back over here, if I click on this, and all the values that is present in each sheet, the K1 value that has been deleted. As you can see, all it has been created, and it is created with a single click. So let me verify this if this max is working fine. This is a formula from Excel, and I'll put for each of these max formula manually, and we'll see, and basically we'll verify with the max formula that has been written by the VBA. So as you can see, all are matching, and copy this and paste just below to that cell just to verify. Yeah, as you can see, this is working fine, and this has been written for all sheets using VBA. So let's create. Now let's open a new workbook, and I'll open the Visual Basic, and here I'll be creating a module. Basically I'll be inserting a module. For that I'll click on insert and click on module. Here I'll be putting that code which is already written. Let me change this module name as put formula to all sheets, and that should be all together. So I'll put formula to all sheets. There should not be any space. Hit enter, and I'll open that notepad where I have written this. And before that, let me save this as a macro enabled workbook. I'll give the same name as put formula to all sheets as VBA macro enabled sheet. Click on save. Now I'll open that notebook, and here I have already written this code. So I'll copy the first, which will delete the formula or value that is present in K1 cells. So I'll write it as, describe it as clear K1 cells from all sheets. And on top of this, I'll be creating that formula. I'll be pasting that VBA code which you can use your desired formula. This is the line where you can change that function, or you can change a cell wherever you want to apply that particular formula. So let me give this comment as change the cell name or number as per your desired desire. Okay. Let's squeeze this left window and scroll it to the left so that it should be visible the entire code. And this particular formula, it will help us to get the max from all the sheets that is present in your workbook. And let me save it. I'll minimize this and create a range where it will find the max from all the sheets. Let me create multiple sheets. In this case, I have created 4 sheets, and I'll be using a rand between function. So I'll type it rand between. That is Excel function. I'll choose this rand between and I'll give from 1 to 500. Close this bracket, hit enter, and I'll fill this from A to E10, from A1 to E10. And I'll copy this and paste to each one of these sheet, and as you can see it is varying from sheet to sheet. I'll do the value paste to make this fix so that values will not change. Now it's time to create that macro button. For that I'll click on insert and I'll click on this button and I'll drag it and assign. First I'll use this put formula to all sheets and I'll give this name. Any name you can give, but for description purpose I will give this as calculate max. And another button will be creating just to clear out if there is any value that is present in K1 cell. So I'll click on this and this also I will do the rename clear K1 cells. If I click on it, as you can see, sheet 1 is done, sheet 2 is done, sheet 3, 4, 5. And if I click on it, as you can see, all the sheets are in this number. So I'll do the max just to verification purpose as I did for the initial time. Copy this and paste it over each of this sheet just to verify that our max function is working fine. Now let me clear the K1 cells. So before that, I'll do one thing. As you can see that each sheet name is coming. I don't want to appear for each sheet because I have to do the click OK. So instead of this, once it is done for all the sheet, it should give that maximum calculation done. And this should come after calculating all the max for all the sheets. It should appear at the last. So I'll minimize this and I'll clear these cells. As you can see, all is clear and click on this calculate max. Maximum calculation is done. So that's how you can create this, and this will help you to create a formula that you can paste in all the sheets. Thank you. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video. Thank you, bye bye.